Form fields are the essential building blocks of any online form, determining exactly what information users can enter when they submit. Whether you're collecting names, email addresses, phone numbers, feedback, or any other details, adding the right fields ensures you gather exactly the information you need. Softr makes this process incredibly straightforward, allowing you to add new fields and customize them to fit your form perfectly. In this complete guide, you'll learn exactly how to add form fields to a form block in Softr. Understanding this skill will let you build forms that capture precisely the data your application requires, whether for user registration, contact submissions, or customer feedback. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and sign into your Softr account. You'll land on your dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your applications. From there, look to the left sidebar and click on Applications. This will display a list of every application you've built within Softr. Take a moment to locate the specific application that contains the form block you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on its name to open it. This brings you into the Application Builder, where you can see all the pages and blocks that make up your app. Now you need to navigate to the page that contains your form. Softr organizes applications into pages, so click through your page list in the left panel until you find the correct one. Once you're on the right page, locate the form block itself. This might be a contact form, a sign-up form, or any other form you've previously placed. Click directly on the form block to select it. You'll know it's selected because a blue outline will appear around the block, and the block settings panel will open in the right sidebar. This is your control center for customizing everything about that form. Within the right sidebar, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Steps. This tab is where you manage the individual fields that make up your form. Below the Steps tab, you'll see a section that displays all the current form fields. If you've already added fields, they'll be listed here with their labels and types. At this point, look for a button that says Add Field and click it. A drop-down menu or list will immediately appear, showing you all the available field types that Softr supports. This is where the real customization begins. The list will include options like text field, email field, phone number, drop-down, checkbox, date picker, and several others. Choose the type of field that matches the information you want to collect. For example, if you need a user's name, a simple text field works perfectly. If you need a valid email address, select the email field type, which includes built-in validation to ensure the format is correct. For collecting a phone number, choose the phone number field, which can format the input appropriately. Drop-down fields are excellent when you want users to select from a predefined list of options, like a country or a department. Checkboxes work well for collecting multiple selections, such as interests or preferences. Date pickers are ideal for birthdays, appointment dates, or any other date-related information. Choose the one that suits your needs and click it. Once you've selected the field type, it will appear in your field list within the Steps tab. Now comes the important part, customizing its settings. Click on the newly added field to expand its configuration options. You'll see several fields to fill in, starting with the label. This is the text that appears above the input box, telling users what to enter. Always use clear descriptive labels so users know exactly what information to provide. For example, instead of just name, you might write full name or first name. Next, you'll see a placeholder field. This is the grayed out text that appears inside the input box before the user types anything. It serves as a helpful hint. For an email field, you might put you@example.com as the placeholder. There's also a helper text option, which allows you to add additional instructions or context below the field. This is great for clarifying formatting requirements or explaining why you're asking for certain information. You might also see options to make the field required, which forces the user to fill it out before submitting. Be selective here. Only mark essential fields as required to avoid discouraging users from completing the form. Every extra required field creates friction, so only enforce what you truly cannot do without. After you've configured one field, you can repeat the process to add additional fields until your form collects all the necessary information. Click Add Field again, choose another type, and customize its settings. Keep in mind that you should only add fields that are necessary to keep your form simple and easy to complete. It's tempting to ask for lots of information, but a long form can reduce completion rates. Stick to what you actually need. Also, think about the order of your fields. Arrange related fields in a logical sequence. For instance, place first name before last name, and address fields in the order someone would naturally write them. This improves the user experience and makes the form feel intuitive. Once you've added all your fields, it's crucial to preview and test your form. Softr provides a preview mode, usually accessible from the top toolbar. Click to preview your application as a user would see it. Navigate to the page with your form and test each field. Type something in the text fields. Try entering an invalid email to check validation. Open the drop-down to see your options and test the date picker. Submit the form with some fields intentionally left blank if they're optional, and make sure required fields block submission if left empty. This testing step will catch any mistakes or confusing labels before real users encounter them. You can then go back and adjust any settings as needed. You've now successfully added and customized form fields in your Softr form block. Your form is ready to collect exactly the information you need in a clear and user-friendly way. For further improvement, consider writing concise helper text for any fields that might cause confusion, and always keep your audience in mind when designing the flow. If you need to edit a field later, simply click on it again in the Steps tab to adjust its properties. Thanks for following along, and if you found this guide useful, consider saving this video so you can revisit these steps whenever you build your next form.